Exciting updates are in for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. No time to waste. Let's dive right in. Firstly, the S24 lineup's much-anticipated reveal is confirmed for January 17th in the United States, with pre-orders starting the same day and the phones hitting stores 2 weeks later. Mark your calendars based on reliable sources like Ice Universe and Max Jambor. Now onto the design details spilled by Ice Universe. The S24 Ultra not only features symmetrical bezels, but also undergoes a punch-hole camera size reduction, a welcome change since the Note 20 Ultra in 2020. An image created by Ice Universe compares the S23 Ultra with the S24 Ultra, emphasizing the subtle yet noticeable difference. For color enthusiasts, there's a surprise, a golden variant of the S24 Ultra with a matching golden frame as revealed by Phone Arena. Keep in mind that the colors might not be perfectly represented in the renders. Qualcomm's recent unveiling of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 brings more excitement as Samsung plans to incorporate a special version of it into the S24 lineup. Ice Universe reveals that the S24 Ultra's chip boasts a GPU clock speed of nearly 1 GHz, significantly faster than the stock 8 Gen 3 at 770 mAh, promising superior graphics performance compared to other Android phones with the same chip. Samsung's confidence in the S24 Ultra is soaring, with a 10% increase in production aiming high after the success of the S23 Ultra. What truly stands out is Samsung's emphasis on generative AI, partnering with Microsoft and Google to integrate OpenAI's GPT and Google Bard into the S24 lineup, aiming for the ultimate AI experience. Their ambitious goal? To sell a staggering 35 million S24 units and a total of 253 million smartphones. In a fiercely competitive market, Samsung is going all in to maintain its leading position. And that's a wrap for today's S24 Ultra updates. If you're as hyped as I am, hit subscribe for the latest content. Catch you tomorrow with more tech goodness. Peace out.